Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am Jerry from Hawaii up in north, and I am starting a video today that's going to take a long time to finish. I'm just going to be piecing it together. It's probably going to be taking me over the next 6 to 7 months to finish this video off. So what we are doing is downsizing our house. We're going to be packing up a bunch of stuff. We're going to be selling a bunch of stuff. Getting ready to move away from Hawaii of the North. We're going to be heading up to our daughter's place for a while. We're going to make that up our kind of our home base. We will be still traveling in the motorhome quite a bit. We wanted to go full time, but I don't know if that's going to be in the cards right now. Maybe down the road it will, but we are going to be extended part-timers, put it that way. So I just wanted to bring you guys along on our journey and show you how we downsize, what we get rid of, what we keep. Probably going to put a little bit into storage, but not a whole lot. Most of it will go. So today is the start of my downsizing. Which is going to be my office area here. I have quite a bit of geocoins, as I am a geocacher. I have some running medals from a running club that I did during COVID, and all my pins and a few of my old trophies from when I was younger, and a lot of keepsakes from people over the years. So some of that will be going with us. Probably not a lot of it in the motorhome, but we'll be taking that up north with us as well. And it's going to be a long journey, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. We're just going to have a little bit of breakfast. Are you excited about our new chapter that's starting?
Yes, I am very excited.
What are you looking forward to?
Going to see my grandbabies.
Me too. I can hardly wait. All right, so we got about 3 weeks left before we start packing up the moving van and we start out on our new adventure and retirement life. So today what I'm going to be doing is I got to take the cover off Alice. We'll get the water system all going. I'll de-winterize it, check a few things over, and then we're actually going to start loading some stuff up. We got a bunch of clothes that we got to put in there on the hangers and start loading up. I've totally emptied it out last winter. So I got to put the tools and the camp chairs and all that kind of stuff back in. And then U-Haul gets here in about 2 weeks, I think. That's when I've booked it for. And then we start loading it up and then on down the road. So, all right, starting the move. The boxes are going. Soon to be a full truck. I'm hoping it's a full truck, or I might have rented a too big of a truck. There we go. There's the first piece. The tarp for Alice. Alrighty, slowly getting things filled up. Alright, well, we are loaded up and ready to hit the road. We got a ferry reservation for this morning, and then it's across the pond to the other side and then heading north. We've got the U-Haul, we've got the motorhome, and we've got the Kermit. We're ready to rock and roll out of here. Everything got loaded up. I forgot to film a lot of the loading. I apologize for that. But anyways, here we go. We've had a lot on the go as we say goodbye to our house and on to the next chapter of our life. So are we ready to go? 1, 2, 3. Well, I was just cutting this video together and realized we never did a finishing video for it, so here we go. We've been up here now for probably a couple months. Let's see, we got up in here at the beginning of May, maybe the middle of May. And so yeah, about a month and a half, but we did go back for a while to Hawaii of the North to pick up Black Beauty, the motorcycle, my Goldwing, and we rode that back, so I'll be cutting that video together here pretty soon as well, and on that other adventure, so stay tuned. And yeah, so it is going along pretty good up here so far for us. We're still got the cube van over there. It's got quite a bit of our stuff in it still. Slowly moving it into the cabin over there. And we've got some plans to build a little addition already onto the cabin, and maybe a deck out the side and do some other things around here as well. So it's going to be a busy summer, probably a busy year. Ballerama's already got plans for wanting a new shower and a little renovation on the bathroom. And yeah, other than that, I've got to get my wood shop going. I've got to get my studio set up. I've just basically been editing video and pictures and everything right here in Alice. I've got a little bit of a office set up in here along with a lot of our other junk still as well. So there's my little setup there, stuff scattered all over the place. Not to mention the fact that we want to get out and do a few camps this summer yet too. There's a Hutch Lake, it's not that far away from us here. There's a Macleese Lake. We did have plans on going to Twin Lakes, which is a little ways away from here. But they've had a big forest fire down there this year, so we're probably not going to do that this year. Next year, I'm not sure exactly what our plans are. I would like to go back down to Jasper, and since we didn't get there, when was that? Last year, I believe. We didn't get there because of the forest fires and things that were going on, so we'd still like to do that. And so stay tuned, everybody, and join us on our adventures as we go along. Subscribe to the channel. That'll really help us out. It is starting to grow a little bit, so that's nice to see. I've been getting a lot of views on some of my shorts, and so I'm just going to keep pumping out the videos and content, and hopefully you guys are enjoying everything. So until the next video, everybody, let's roll, and hey, let's be careful out there. Blackfish out.